everyone, it's Jessica here for HipKit Club. Today I'm sharing a process video that I made with the February 2019 HipKits. These pictures were made on the 5th birthday of my little daughter, and now it's time to make a layout of it. Let's go! For my layout I'm using one of the free HipKit Club cut files from March. It's available on the website. The green Tombow glue is one of my favorite glues. I carefully put the glue on my cut file and wait until it is completely dry. Once the glue is dry, the color changes from white to clear. If the glue is dry, it still sticks, but you cannot mess up anymore. Now I glue the cut file on the paper and cut the remaining pieces. Next step, I think about where I want to place the photo. Hardest decision ever. Another advantage of the green Tombow is that I can replace it again, so I can push easily the photo under the cut file. From this beautiful sheet of Catabella I cut out a lot of flowers. I love fussy cutting. The photo because I like this place quite well, but make sure to stick it only in the middle so that I can push decorative elements underneath at any time. I use different embellishments for the decoration of the main kit and the embellishment kit. In addition, I cut a piece of the cut file and add it on my layout. Next I cover my photo so I can add a few splashes with the Opal Magic acrylic paint. Finally, I stick Happy Birthday on my layout and it's already finished.